Excel spreadsheet, whenever we have a graph, and if you do not take care few formatting aspect, the graph becomes very clumsy. For example, in this example, you can see here the graph has become too stretch. It's naturally because the row number 11 is been added, and that's the reason you can see that the band C and band D of carpet durability is showing a lot of distance, right? If I simply remove this one, the graph has become normal, right? It has returned to normalcy. But however, this challenge is always will be there, right? So whenever we wanted to add a couple of rows, or when you wanted to increment the data, and whenever we wanted to add the column, for example, let's say one more column, I'm adding it. So yeah, automatically the graph also is getting disturbed, right? For example, more importantly, if I select the data here, like band A, I'm selecting it. So it is not giving any data to it, right? So basically, but it has a data. Again, you have to go back and stretch it and all that, right? Only then it will give you, right? I have a one small technique in which all this problem will go away, right? For example, again, I have to go here. Again, the whole chart has got changed. Format has got changed very badly. You can see here. Okay. So now what I can do is that I'm gonna control this format, the chart. How to do? Let's learn. Just double click on the chart. Just double click. You will find this particular one, size and properties. Have a click on it. You will find under the properties, right? And all you have to do is that this is the default value. One of these value is default value. You can just select do not move or size with cells. Whenever any cells in rows or columns get adjusted, your graph will not be adjusted, right? Just give here. Now you see the whole things is now very neatly. For example, let's say I wanted to buy this box plot, we can draw a conclusion that band D is the best, right? However, let's say I wanted to see what is a whisker for band A. I can just click it. My graph is not compromised, right? B, I can click it. My graph is still not compromised, right? And then I'm just selecting A and B. Still, nothing has impacted, right? Say, and I'm just returning back. Nothing, no size, nothing is impacting it, right? So this is one of the cool way, cool feature we have in Excel. And when you control it with that, automatically your graph will not be impacted, right? I hope you find it very useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.